Hello, today we will solve the forces in the member of this loaded truss. This is 4 kilonewton loaded at point A and 3 meter members. All these members are 3 meter, these members. And the first step, we have to find the angles between these members, what angle will be here and what angle will be here. So we find angle by theta equal to tangent inverse rise perpendicular divided by base. So perpendicular is 3 and base is also 3 meter. So tangent inverse 3 divided by 3 equal to 45 degree. So these all are 45 degree and this is 90 degree. This adjacent angle, this angle is 90 degree. So first of all, we will take joint A to find the force in member AE and AB. Why I take this joint? Because there is only two unknowns and one is load is known. Okay, so that's why it will be easy for us to find the forces in these members, because there is only two unknowns, not more than two unknowns. Okay, so if I draw a free body diagram in XY coordinate of joint A, will be look like here. This I assume that this all members forces in all member are in tension. Okay, these members are in tension. So this is not purely in horizontal or vertical axis. So I will resolve this component A, this member AB, this member I will resolve it into its horizontal and vertical component. So AB cos of 45 and AB sine of 45 degree. Summation of all vertical forces equal to 0. Vertical, there is 4 kilonewton which is downward, directed downward. So it will be negative 4 and positive this AB sine of 45, component of this AB. So AB sine 45. AB equal to 4 divided by sine 45. So AB will equal to 5 point. If you calculate it on calculator, 4 divided by sine 45, so it will become 5.66 kilonewton. So summation of all horizontal forces acting in this joint equal to 0. The force directed toward left will be taken as negative and the force directed toward right will be taken as positive. So AE, here is AE, this is AE, positive AE plus positive AB, component of this AB cos of 45. So AE at the place of AB, I will plug the value of AB, which is 5.66 kilonewton. So AE will become equal to negative 5, because if I push it to the right side of the equality, so it will become negative, no, negative cos of 45. So AE will, if you calculate it on your calculator, if you multiply it, so it will become AE equal to 4 kilonewton, negative 4 kilonewton. This negative means that I was assume AE in tension. That was wrong. It is actually it is in compression. So negative show that your assumption is wrong, positive show that your assumption is right. So this value comes in with the positive sign. So it means that my assumption that AB in tension, that was right. This is tension, in tension. So AE equal to negative 4 kilonewton. It means that this is not in tension. I was assumed that it is in tension. This is in compression. Now I will take joint E, solve forces to compute forces in EB and ED. I have value of AE, which is 4 kilonewton, negative 4 or 4 kilonewton. So if I put it or make a free body diagram of these members, these three members in XY coordinates, so it will look like this. So ED, this is member ED, EB and EA. So ED will become equal to summation of all horizontal forces. There is only two horizontal forces, ED and EA. So ED will equal to EA, ED will equal to 4 kilonewton. It also means that I have assumed that ED is in tension, that is not in tension, it is also in compression. Now summation of all vertical forces equal to 0. The force directed up is positive, the force directed down is negative. So EB equal to 0. There is only EB equal to 0. So that's why EB, the force in member EB, this EB, there is no force in member EB. Okay, so after that I will take joint to find the forces in member BC and BE. I have value of BE. So if I draw a free body diagram in XY coordinates, so it will look like this. This is BE, this is BC, and this is BD, EB and BA. If I resolve it BD into its component, it will look like this. This is a resultant force BD and this is its horizontal. So this is a resultant force and this will be its horizontal component. So BD cos of 45 and BD sine of 45, and there is another force which is not purely in horizontal or vertical. So BA, if I resolve it, so summation of all vertical forces equal to 0 minus BE. First of all, I will resolve this into its component, BA cos of 45 and BA sine of 45 degree. So summation of all vertical forces equal to 0, and there is purely vertical EB, negative EB and negative BD sine of 45, negative BA sine of 45 equal to 0. So negative BD, BE and BA sine of 45 divided by sine of 45. So BE value is 0. Force in member BE is 0, which I have solved here. And so BD will equal to BA sine of 45 divided by sine of 45. Sine of 45 divided by sine of 45 will cancel out. BD will equal to BA. So BA is the value of BD. BA is 5.66. So kilonewton. So BD value is 5.66 kilonewton. This negative sign show that my assumption was wrong, not in tension, it is in compression. So summation of all horizontal forces equal to 0. The force directed left will be taken as negative, the force directed right will be taken as positive. So BC, this is BC which is positive, and BD which is negative. Sorry, this is BA is positive, BD is positive and BA is negative, cos of 45 degree. BC value will be equal to negative BD cos of 45. I have value of BD and BA. So I will plug the value of BD and BA to find BC. So BC equal to negative 5.66 cos of 45 degree and negative into negative. So 5.66 cos of 45 degree. If you calculate it on calculator, so BC will equal to 8 kilonewton. And the positive sign shows that my assumption was right, it is in tension. Now I will take joint D to compute the forces in D, C and DB. If I draw a free body diagram of joint D in XY coordinate, so it will look like this. This is member BD, this is member DC and this is member DE. If I resolve it into its component BD, so BD will equal to BD cos of 45 degree and BD sine of 45 degree. This is the resultant, which is BD. Summation of all vertical forces equal to 0. The force directed up is positive, the force directed down is negative. So DC plus BD sine of 45 degree equal to 0 and DC will equal to negative BC sine of 45 degree. So DC will equal to, at the place of DB, BD or DB, I will plug in the value of BD, 5.66 sine of 45 degree. So DC will equal to 4 kilonewton. This is in compression.